currently in Ashland, Oregon, driving up this Forest Service road up to this spot up this mountain that I saw online people could camp at. But on some of the stuff, people said that more recently it's been kind of taken over by squatters and homeless people. So I don't know, some people said it was pretty sketchy there, that it didn't used to be, but it has kind of become that way. So I don't know, once I get up here, I guess I'll see. If it does end up being pretty sketchy, then I don't know where I'm gonna camp. I'll probably just get back on the road and head further south. I'd probably end up just camping somewhere in Northern California then, but I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully it's not sketchy, but who knows? I'll find out soon. All right, I know this lighting is terrible. I'm sitting in my car with the car light on, but I drove up that road that I said was maybe gonna be sketchy up there. I get up here, there's like 20 cars up here. I'm like, what the heck is going on? And there's people like setting up a band. So I get out, I talk to somebody. Apparently some locals do like a once-a-year party up here. This one local guy brings his band out, and just people come hang out and they play music, and just it's way up on this mountain road, so we're like all the way up this mountain. And it's the night I happen to be here. So yeah, there's gonna be some live music tonight. I'm gonna go hang out, listen to music. Every night that I think I'm not gonna find somewhere to sleep and I'm just gonna have to keep driving, I keep finding something awesome. Well, it looks like I survived another night. Yeah, last night was fun. I hung out at that concert. They played music till like midnight or 1 in the morning, so I ended up being up way later than I planned to. But that's okay. It was fun. Met some cool people and got to listen to some music. I ended up just sleeping in my car last night. I just set up the sleeping pad in here and threw my sleeping bag down there. It wasn't the most comfortable thing in my life, but it was doable. I've got a couple sore spots on my body, but that's okay. I don't want to bother setting up a tent or anything out here, so got a nice sunrise going over there. Yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat, pack up my car, and then I think I'm gonna head to Costco. I need to get the tires rotated today, and I need to get an oil change today, so probably gonna try to get that stuff taken care of before I head down to California. But yeah, so far another good morning. I slept good last night, had fun last night, and yeah, time to start another day. Well, it's about 8 o'clock. I just ate some breakfast, got things organized in the back. I know it still looks kind of messy, but it's more organized than it was. Got some camera batteries plugged in to charge. I think I'm gonna go head somewhere and get an oil change right now because Costco doesn't open until 10, so I'm gonna go get an oil change done. And then at 10 o'clock I can go to Costco to get the tires rotated and balanced. And then yeah, we'll see how long all that takes. And then after that, you know, I'll be planning to head south. I also would really like to do some editing today. I have a bunch of footage I need to go through. So, you know, we'll see how much I end up driving today. I'm sure I'll end up in California because I'm not that far away from there. But yeah, that's the plan for now. I guess I'll just get moving and see how things go today. It's probably really loud in here, but the oil change came with a free car wash. So getting the car wash right now. So yeah, happy with that. Got the oil change done. Gonna finish getting the car all cleaned up here. And just like that, I've practically got a brand new car to drive. She's all washed up and clean. Got that free car wash after the oil change, which is nice because she was pretty filthy. Yeah, she should be good to go. They said everything looks good. Looks like I found where I'll be sleeping for the night. From what I looked at online, this isn't quite what I thought it was. I thought there was like sort of more actual campsites, but it's kind of just this open lot up this Forest Service road. Yeah, I guess this is home for the night. While I was driving up here, I saw 2 black bears on the side of the road, so hopefully I don't get eaten in my sleep, but you know, there's always a chance.